Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing iPhone 14 Pro Max. Without wasting any time, let's start by examining the box. So the box looks pretty simple. It's kinda similar to what we had last year. So I have iPhone 13 Pro Max box here and it's kinda similar, only the color is different. And rest is pretty much the same. So on the back you have all this information. We have the pull tabs and there is no plastic. Apple is trying to be eco-friendly, and of course there is no charger in it. So let's open the box and see what we've got inside. So this is paper as compared to last year. Last year it was kind of plastic, but this year this is paper. Okay, so we are all ready to open the box. And here you go. So this one is a silver variant. This is 256 GB and looks beautiful. Let's put it aside and see what else we have got inside the box. The usual paperwork. We have some stickers, not some, just one sticker. Some getting started guides, and this is the SIM ejector tool. Yes, this one has the SIM card slot because I'm in Australia and Australian variants have SIM card tray, but the US variants have only the eSIM. They don't have SIM card slots. Apart from this, we have the standard lightning cable. So this one is a disappointment actually. I was expecting iPhone 14 to have USB-C, but they still got the old one. Anyway, let's see how the phone looks. So the stainless steel sides are fingerprint magnets. You can see that clearly that it's attracting a lot of fingerprints already. So on the left side we have SIM card tray, we have volume keys, we have mute button. On the top nothing. Here on the right side we have power button. Bottom we have speaker grills and the charging port. On the back we have frosted glass back. We have 3 cameras, flash, some sensors, and that's pretty much it. So let's turn this on and see how it looks. So here you go, the phone has turned on. Let's set it up. So this is our new pill-shaped notch, which everyone is so excited about. So let's start by choosing the language and let's go through the basic setup. So here you go, we are all set up. This is iOS 16 running on iPhone 14 Pro Max. And this is your new pill-shaped cutout. Finish setting up iPhone, not now. This is your always on display. So your screen turns down to only 1 Hertz to save your power, and there is a tiny lock icon on your dynamic island showing you that it's locked. So that's it for today. I'll cover the software in a separate video. Till then, take care. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Goodbye.